What's going on? Garrett here, back again with a highly requested video. Today, I'm going to be revealing how to generate leads for affiliate marketing. If you're doing affiliate marketing, leads are one of the lifeblood of your business. Leads are constant new people seeing the offers and products you're promoting. The more leads you can generate that are high quality, the more sales and money you can actually make. So as you follow me in today's video, what I'm gonna pull back the curtain and reveal to you is a little known lead generation strategy that I've been using for years, that some of my elite students have been using, that's been allowing people from around the world, many beginners, people that have never done online marketing before, they've plugged into this strategy, they've applied it, and they've started to get some absolutely mind-blowing results. Now, before I dive into this exact strategy, if you're new to my channel, you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step weekly videos, be sure to click the subscribe button and that bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive in now. So what you want to consider when you're promoting a product is you want to generate leads. Now, a lead is simply someone that has raised their hand and said, yes, I'm interested in learning more. So my favorite type of lead when I do affiliate marketing, okay, is an email lead. So let's imagine this is a capture page, okay? Now, I'm sure you've seen a capture page online before. You've basically gone to a website, it has a headline, and it has a box that you can put your email address in. Well, it's a good idea to actually have one of these in your business. The reason being is when someone puts in their email, okay, and it redirects to the sales page, okay, what's gonna happen is a lot of people are gonna buy, but a lot of people aren't gonna buy, okay? This is just a numbers game, right? So the people that aren't gonna buy are gonna get added to your email list, okay, like this. Okay, let's imagine these are emails, follow-up emails, emails that you can actually pre-write and have follow-up with your leads, sending people back to the sales page. Now, I have a lot of videos on my channel where I break this down and how to actually get this done for you. I'll include a link directly below this video. You can check out my #1 resource. But essentially, this is the process, right? Now, when someone puts their email address in, now that is a lead. And now you can follow up with them. You can set up pre-written emails for as many days as you want. And that's how you can really start to create commissions on autopilot. But how do we get people to put their email address in? Let's say you have a capture page, you have a funnel. How do you generate the lead in the first place? And that's what I want to cover right now. So it's a strategy I've been using for many years. And what it basically is it's sharing valuable content with people in a certain niche, the niche that you're promoting the product in, and then basically sending them more information. So let me break this down and make this very simple. So I basically am in the make money online niche, okay? I teach people how to make money online. I teach people how to do a high ticket affiliate marketing. So what I can do is I can make videos teaching people, okay, how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, just like the video that you're paying very close attention to right now. Now, when I teach that, what happens is people start to recognize that, hey, you know, I'm an authority in this niche. You know, I'm an extrovert on what I'm teaching. Obviously, I'm getting results. And now I can recommend people to products, okay? Because when you generate a lead, what you're doing is you're recommending people to products. You're basically having people identify themselves. So the way that looks on YouTube is basically you can do a video sharing some content, sharing some value, and then at the end of the video basically say, hey, you know, if you want to find out more information, go to the link below. And that link can take them to your capture page, and then they put their email address in, and now you can follow up with them, you can sell them other products, you can offer value and things like that, okay? Now, on Facebook, what if you don't want to do YouTube? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, it's all the same process. You're basically sharing valuable content, and when someone likes that content, at the end of it, you just want to say, hey, if you want to find out more information, go to the link, you know, in my bio, or go to the link under the description, okay? This lead generation formula for affiliate marketing can work. It doesn't matter what niche. If you're doing health and fitness, if you're doing weight loss, if you're doing, you know, make money online, dating, it doesn't matter what niche it is. If you follow this lead generation strategy, you can start to generate leads and high quality leads, okay? Because if someone's ingested your content, they're much more warm. It's a warm lead, and when they go through your funnel, when they go see your sales page, they're gonna be eyes open, really eager to see what you have to recommend, okay? Because you've been sharing so much value. So this system, I don't wanna make this more complicated. Use this. Now, people always ask, well, what if I don't have a funnel? What if I don't know how to create my own back-end funnel that will generate commissions on autopilot? I'm gonna include a link directly below this video. You can go ahead and click that link, see a free overview video of my #1 recommended affiliate system that gives you the capture pages, that gives you the follow-up emails, so you don't even have to do any of that yourself. You just have to focus on creating content, okay? And you can do content without even showing your face. A lot of people, they don't want to show their face out there. They don't want to have people know who they are. You can literally just, do a screen record on YouTube, for example, or you can post a TikTok entrepreneur page, okay, where you don't even show your face and still have your link in your bio so you can start to generate leads, okay? So this strategy is powerful. If you like this strategy, you want me to make more videos like this, click the like button below. Also subscribe again so you're always notified of my latest videos. And until next time, my friend, if you have any questions or things you want me to cover in the future video, comment them below. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video, my friend. Take care.